I'm Miss Kim, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite teacher. One of my favorite teacher is Miss Hong An, the one who taught, and she was also my form teacher when I studied at the grade 8. She was in the type of under 50 age people, and she has a short curly hair, brown hair, with a ponytail style that she always choose to wear it. She wears a pair of glasses that has a vintage vibe. She she dressed beautiful color out in many ways every day, especially when my class has attended lessons from the other teachers. She is kindful, friendly, and helpful. When it comes to the time when students ask her for literature knowledges, there's a moment packed back to the 8th grade. I and my friends did our school movements. For me, I did the first day of the week activity, so I needed to prepare it a lot. Um, I needed to prepare a lot from the presentation to the MC roles, which means I have represented my class to present it in front of school. It was nothing until I just accidentally lost it, lost the data about those informations. I knew from a teacher, and I thought I would get a scold, but I didn't get any yelled. As she was known for her patient, diligent, and resourceful, because she used to help us in doing the STEM projects, which was the free fermented fruit juice, in the following order: apples, pears, pineapples, and grapes. She also helped us in picking two drinks that's suitable to bring in the contest. Um, on the Happy Teachers Day occasion, I can study well and do a lot of positive activities to my teacher. And I would like to give her my handwriting letter, because I want to give her my own feeling of the sincerely and appreciate. Um, I want to wish for her at best and be more successfully in the future of her life's way. To be in the future, I think teacher is the good way to be, but I already have my own passion to another job. Um, Generally talk, teacher is an important job because they help us to be grow and be more mature, and they also help us about the foundation of education. That's all about me speaking. Thank you for your listening.